Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up the two-factor authentication on Instagram. So first of all, go to your profile, go to settings, then go to the security menu, and here the fourth item on the list is the two-factor authentication. You just tap on it and here you will start the setting up section. Two-factor authentication protects your account by requiring an additional code when you log in on a device we don't recognize. Go to Get Started, and here you will see two switches. Authentication app recommended. We will check to see if you have one. If you don't, we will recommend one to download. Or text message, we will send the code to the number you choose. These are the two types of two-factor authentications that you can use right now on Instagram. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would be really helpful for me. And see you in the next one. Bye.